Hello. So previously we had soldered this piece here. I'm wearing safety goggles, by the way, so the window's open. So this piece here was soldered together. Unfortunately, this is the ground wire, and this is the conductor, or whatever you call it. So this does the, I don't know how it works. I just know these two have to be separate wires. And that being said, this wire here, the ground wire, has to connect to this pot, from what I remember. At the very least, it can't just be hanging there dangling about doing nothing. So, if we look at our guitar here, this is the wire I was working with. So we've got our white wire and our ground wire, two separate wires coming out of one larger wire. So put that back down. So we want to basically give more length to the wires, and in order to do that, I'm going to use my spare wires, which I bought incidentally for testing soldering because I had never done soldering before, so I needed a test. So I'll take out the red wire, which is obviously we don't need that much length. Let's see, how much length do we need? We'll say about there. And so we'll cut that there, and we'll have to strip the head, or not strip the head, strip the wire. There we go. And on the other side, there we go. Okay. Now we close that off, put that aside. And so let's start with the ground wire. I hope these two are conductive of each other, and I hope I do not start a fire or an explosion. Well, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take our solder. That should be enough. Should be more than enough, but just failed. Well, okay. Wrap the solder around there. And then maybe we need more give. No. We're getting to the point where we will need RGs. We will need more. I think the project is just ruined. I don't know where to go from here. Okay, so that is not it. Oh, that is it. Computer beep. Did we bring the wrench? Oh, my. Okay. So separate the ground wire. There we go. There we go. There we go. So where are we here? What do we need now? Is this long enough? No, it's not. Well, I mean, no. So, piece of long. So here we are. And this has to do with my dexterity or my lack of it also. Wrap this wire. Okay, let's not be beggars can't be choosers. Okay, so okay. Now there we go. Oh, this is so difficult for me. Okay, so close that.
And we'll set that to be, put this up here, this, get some black wire, and tight. Now with the black wire, wait, we haven't even snipped the black wire, okay. So how long? There we go. Oh my, okay. Strip that. No. Strips that. Okay.
So oh man, okay, so difficult. This is soldering, I hope. Okay, there we go. Cut that. Okay. So the goal is turn around to face this. The goal is to take this plate, which has this wire coming out of it, and one of them is the ground wire, which is the red wire, and one of them is the conductor wire. I'm just calling it the conductor wire, I don't know what it is. And that's the black wire. And so the black wire will attach to this end. Can you see me? Okay. The black wire will attach to this end, and the ground wire will attach to that end. And then we'll probably have to get some electrical tape, or see if grip tape is something that we can be using. So, okay, in the meantime we have to solder. I will remove my guitar. Put this black wire back in the bag. Okay, so we have spare bits and pieces which we're going to be putting on the cooking sheet. The cooking sheet is my safety station, although it is a conductor of electricity, but I guess it's better than wood in case of fire. So, okay, here we go. So we will take this plate, place it under here, or get our gloves. This whole time the soldering iron has been plugged in, so it's definitely hot enough, or it's definitely at its maximum heat. I want to get a scarf for the fumes, wrap the scarf around my mouth. Okay. And so here we go. Okay. Okay. It dries really fast, but let's just see if this holds. It seems to hold. It seems to hold. And we'll look into the electrical tape.